Good morning, Garden Tube. The inconsistent gardener here. Today I'm going to clean out this box, that box over there, and these two as well, and just get that all cleaned out. Then in a separate video, I am going to cut back my grapes. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Alright, moving on. Let's go this way. Alright, so we cleaned out all the things we wanted to. That one, this one, and that one. So that's the end of this episode. Thanks for watching, and me, the inconsistent gardener. And I'll see you in the next video.